We're having a girl! Baby number 2! 3!
Well, how did y'all know that was all baby 1? That y'all just got out?
Huh?
How did y'all know that was just baby 1 y'all just got out?
Wait! Rita, I'm ready.
Rita, you can't make a boy! It's gotta be blue. Y'all ready? It's gotta be blue or else. It's gotta be blue.
Let it be. Let it be.
Ready? 1, 2,
2, 3! Woo woo! Woo woo! We're having a boy! Yeah! It's staying in your arm.
He's the only.
Alright! Get it out! Get him out! Mama, your hair is pink.